Alright guys, I'm going to try to shoot MN Shooting Sports Buckhorn Sight Challenge. Not to grab this rubber, I'm using a Zastava MP22, which is basically they also call Zastava CZ99, the same rifle. Nothing to do with CZ. Now, I've never shot this with iron sights before. I got mad and took my scope off that I had on there because I was having issues with extracting. This actually has two extractors I've taken apart. Extractor's nice and sharp and everything. I cleaned the piss out of the chamber. I doubt that happens. I've had that before, I think what it is, sometimes the chamber's just a little too big and it causes the shell casing to swell, and it does it worse with match ammo. CCI is probably the best I've gotten with it, so I don't know, but it still does it with CCI standard velocity. So I basically, it's just seeing if it's going to work or not. If I can even see this daggone thing. I should. Okay, at least I hit the paper. I should have painted them front sights or did something first. It's in the evening here and I'm old man with old eyes. I can't really see this thing. That's amazing. I think you do 5 shots on these. This doesn't have a bad trigger. So far seems to be ejecting out okay. I really see to jockey around and hold my sights in different position because it's mainly a little high. And this has got a weird, like a plunger button for a magazine release. There's worse edge scoring, so oh boy. Ain't taking no prizes home today, fellers. Me trying to shoot, I'm better off, like a nice bright sunny day. When I got these blacked out sights, it's kind of rough. Okay, let's. Next one. Kind of high. No. I'm just surprised I did. It didn't. I brought my big long cleaning rod out here with me because I was short. The problem with this is you can't reach a pocket knife in there or screwdriver to get it because the chamber's recessed way back in. You can't reach the shell casing, so you got to bring out a cleaning rod and shove it out of there. Let me see what I want to do here. Hang on. What I got here? Not getting some really good stuff. I don't want to do that. I got some Aguila target competition here. Let's for giggles. I just want to see how it's going to work in magazine. Basically, is what I'm looking at. Where you see we're scoring right there. One completely out of there. I can always go back here and go try it. I ain't taking no records home with that. Let's see, Aguila target competition. I really don't. I've done the rifle competition, target competition, pistol competition. I don't see a big difference in it. I wouldn't call it competition. Okay, 5 rounds of the Aguila. I'm just gonna put in that same target right there. Look at my bag here a little bit. And there we go. Okay, pause here a second, guys. I gotta take the old ramrod to it. No, I just pulled the magazine out and worked the bolt one more time, and it popped out that time. So let's. Heck with this. I want to shoot something different here. I just caught that. I put that couple new swingers up here today, so where are you at? Focus in here a little bit. Yeah, it's real muddy out and stuff. My 16-inch gong, which is like on a plant hanger, he's gonna fall down. That's the one right there. This is at 100 yards. Let's see if I can hit that. Did I hit it? It sounded like a little, I don't know. Don't see nothing on the paint. You guys see it wiggle any? Now this doesn't ring real loud. That's a thick, heavy piece of the AR500 steel. And I'll tell you what, I'll go back over here. This is iron sight, so what the hell? I'll give myself a little bit of a course of gongs in the ground right there right now. Daggone it. Let's see, air popped out. Okay, not the smoothest to work magazine, but let's try it, see if I can hit that 16-inch. Yeah, picked up around like click. Try it again. Yeah, I heard a ding that time. You guys did right there. Okay. Let me pause and take you out of the spotting scope. All right, guys, this is what she looks like right there. Safety up here, forward and back right there. It is a really dark blued barrel receiver. I do like that. If you guys can see right there, this has got like a button, like a plunger you push straight up there. Kind of loose. And then it doesn't really release, and the magazine doesn't go up there the best. Let me see if I can get it out here and I'll kind of show you. You guys, you'll drag out there, use a metal magazine. Then you kind of wiggle a little bit to get back up in there. Now, I don't know if I was thinking on trading it, just taking this and trading it off now or something now. But I don't know. I may give it one more chance. I'm not really wanting to get wasting match ammo on it. Now, when I did use match ammo, in between my frustrations of it not extracting, it didn't shoot bad. But of course, it's got a regular, hunting style barrel on it. But this is Zastava M922, I think so. Yeah, same thing as the CZ99, but Zastava CZ, nothing to do with CZ, the rifles you're used to. Had more look here. And what do you think, guys? And we'll talk to you next time.